Lloyds Bankworld Elite Mastercard Honest Review and User Experience. Is it worth it? Premium credit cards often promise luxury travel perks and elite rewards, but are they actually worth it? I tested the Lloyds Bankworld Elite Mastercard to find out, and here's the honest truth. Right away, this card stands out with its travel-focused features. You earn AVOs on every purchase: 5 AVOs per one spent domestically and 3 AVOs per one on foreign transactions. For frequent flyers, that can add up quickly. Most people get this wrong. They assume reward cards are only useful if you travel constantly. But the surprising truth is that even casual travelers can benefit if they plan strategically. Using it for everyday expenses and converting AVOs for off-peak flights gives you solid value. Another highlight is the travel insurance and airport lounge access. Through Mastercard's Lounge program, you get entry to over 1,000 lounges worldwide, a real perk during long layovers. However, it's not all perfect. The annual fee is high, and if you don't fly often, it might not justify the cost. Card also charges interest quickly if you don't pay in full, so it's best for disciplined spenders. Customer service from Lloyd was responsive, and their mobile banking app made it easy to track rewards and transactions in real time. In summary, the Lloyds Bankworld Elite Mastercard is ideal for people who travel regularly and want to maximize AVO's rewards and premium benefits. If you fly at least a few times a year, it's worth it. But if you rarely leave the country, a no-fee cashback card may be the smarter choice.